It's the 10th of July, midwinter here in Australia. With reservoirs full, any large downpours are likely to cause a flood condition. Cairn Curran's main gates are shut, but the hydro is working. The river is up slightly. The Loddon River at Hamilton Crossing is also up slightly. I love the dragon sculpture here on the Baringhup Eddington Road as I'm heading towards Three Bridges. Thanks for the feedback, Rob. I hope this video gives you a bit of an update on the river between Cairn Curran and Lannecoorie. We're at Three Bridges on the Loddon River. The culverts are full and the river is backing up. The flow on the main part of the Loddon here at Three Bridges is also going strong. This is the backwater of the Lannecoorie Reservoir where the Bet Creek enters. Long-term weather experts claim that the La Nina weather pattern is waning and will bring a return to normal weather patterns. They also claim that an El Nino weather pattern will likely occur towards the end of this year, bringing with it drought conditions and the possibility of bushfires. 3 of the 4 sluice valves are open. Water is over the top of the concrete structure and is a couple of inches below the metal structure on top. River levels below the spillway are slightly higher than normal. Midwinter and the wattle is bringing colour to the bush.